Hello, I'm Luther Ragsdale, broker CEO of Platinum Real Estate and the founder of Luther Ragsdale's Institute. Look. Welcome to Luther Ragsdale TV. Another great tip that I have for you today. But before we get into the tip, first, do not forget to subscribe at the bottom in the corner. I believe it's the left or right hand corner. There's a subscribe button. Would love for you to subscribe. Next, do not forget my free masterclass, the Ultimate Agent Masterclass that's coming up. You can register at masterclass.lutherragsdale.com. And for more information on education and seminars and boot camps and all that good stuff, you can check it out at lutherragsdale.com. And real estate agents interested in platinum real estate, you can check that out at platinumrealestate.com. So please follow me. Would love to keep in touch. I record a brand new video just like this every week and it's published every Tuesday. So let's stay in touch. All right, so let's talk about what we're going to talk about today. Trends for 2025 and beyond, right? Look, this is not just about 2025. Yes, we're coming into a new year, 2025, but I think the changes that we're experiencing is going to be 2025 and beyond. So what are some changes? What are some things that we need to look at? Number one, technology. Number two, the current market. Three, buyer demographics, and we're going to talk about branding. Four major things that's going to be happening in 2025. Four major trends that you need to keep up with and some changes that we need to make. First, let's talk about this. Technology. Listen, automation. One thing that I'm teaching in my coaching program, you have to set it and forget it. Meaning this, we know only 1% of your leads are going to be ready right now. The other 99%, they're going to be ready in the future. So you have to have automation set up. So yes, and this goes way beyond a website. Website is a given. CRM is a given. Now you have to have funnels set up that automatically email, that automatically text message, that automatically respond to your database. And a part of that automation have to have AI, artificial intelligence. Listen, 2025 and beyond. Like I said, this is beyond just 2025. 2025 and beyond is about automation, you guys. It's about AI, artificial intelligence. See, back in the day, we used to farm market by cold calling. We used to farm markets by sending out postcards. Nothing wrong with that, but that's old school. There's better ways and there's more financially effective ways. Now we can use AI. So AI now can literally call thousands of prospects in minutes. So we can use AI to call. Yes, back in the day, look, I've been doing this for 30 years. I used to have to pick up the phone and call thousands of people. They would hang up. They're not interested. You know the 1% rule. Only 1% of your prospects, they're ready now. So I had to make a lot of calls. It was a lot of frustration. Now we can use AI to make those calls for us. We can also use AI to answer the phone. So as if you're a part-time agent or if you're a full-time agent and you're in a closing or maybe you are showing property and inspections, whatever. Now we can use AI to answer the calls for us and give our clients information. So now every dollar, everything we do to invest in our prospecting, AI can help us follow up on leads, answer the phone for us, and make calls for us. AI, very important. Smart devices, and we need a paperless system in 2025. Yes, in 2025, everything's happening at the speed of light. You have to return every phone call literally in minutes. No, not the end of the day. No, not tomorrow. You need to return those calls, return those text messages now. Very, very important. So you need a paperless system. You have to have smart devices. Not only smart devices, but also computers, laptops. So you have to have your technology set up to monitor your business as well as run your business. Want to say this again, you have to have technology to run your business and to manage your business. Technology is going to be huge for 2025 and beyond. Next, 2025, the market is changing. 2024, 2023, we just came off of very high interest rates. We just came off of huge inflation. We just recently had the whole presidential election. So now we're going to see in 2025, 2026, we're going to see those interest rates start to come down. Buyers are going to get back into the market. The market is going to get robust again. It's going to get active. We have to be ready for this market change. Okay? So yes, interest rates have started to creep down. Inflation have started to improve. 2025, this is going to be huge for us. So we need to educate our buyers where we're at in the market right now. We have to educate our buyers. Look, this is where the market's at now. This is what's happening now. We have to have systems, prospecting, advertising for what's going on right now. We have to educate our buyer. Also, NAR, the National Association of Realtors, just had that lawsuit back in 2024. 2025 and beyond, we have to educate our buyers because our buyers, it's a different breed now after the lawsuit than before the lawsuit. So the market is going to change and we have to explain this to our buyers. Another major market dynamic, major change in the market. Listen, before COVID, a lot of people worked a job and they was required to go into the office. COVID hit. When COVID hit, employers sent everybody home. Go home, work from home. So now a lot of employers allow their employees to work from home. Due to technology, it's more work from home. What's happening now? We are seeing more families moving to the suburbs, moving further out. I will just use Atlanta, Georgia, as a example. People are moving away from the city, out further out in McDonough, moving out to Alpharetta, moving further out. Why? They can do it because now you don't have to have a close geographical home close to your job. Why? Because of the internet. Because a lot of people are working from home now. That's changing our business as real estate agents. Now we can show houses further out. Now people are they're not worried about properties close to work. Now they're saying, hey, I can have a property basically anywhere. I don't have to be close to my job. So market dynamics, market changes. We are going to see more suburban living. Next, our buyers, they're more technology savvy now. Now our buyers and sellers as well, they are using the internet to look for properties. So we have to have our system set up to have IDX. If you're taking notes, write this down. IDX needs to be a part of your website. Need to be a part of your marketing. IDX is huge. Okay, because now buyers are going and they're using technology to find properties, to research properties, to follow up on properties. Also, another huge buyer dynamic. Now buyers are negotiating their commissions. Now the buyer or the seller, anybody can pay the commission. It's always been like that in the real estate market, but now with the new lawsuit with NAR, with the National Association of Realtors, now everything is more negotiable. So now 2025 and beyond, we're going to find buyers looking to negotiate. They are looking to negotiate more than in the past. They might want to negotiate your commission. You're going to have to now justify why your services are so important. Also, buyers, it's a more diverse buyer pool out there now, right? You are seeing younger buyers getting into the market. You are seeing older buyers buying up now. You are seeing more minorities. As I know in Atlanta, Georgia, we are seeing more and more minorities, African Americans, Hispanics getting into the market. This is huge. Okay, so now we're going to have different buyers. If you are an agent and if you have a niche, maybe you can speak Spanish or can speak another language. That can be a great focus. That can be a great way for you to focus on a specific target market, because it's a much more diverse market now. And last but not least, branding. 2025 and beyond, it's going to be about branding. People do business with people that they know and people that they trust. Social media is going to be huge for the successful real estate agent 2025 and beyond. The agent that's active on social media, that's building those relationships, that have automation set up, that have funnels set up, that have a CRM that's sending emails, that's sending text message, that's building the relationships, that's staying in touch. That's the key for 2025. And by doing that, we have to build value. We have to build value with our brand. Why? Before 2024, before the National Association of Realtors had the lawsuit, it was pretty much the seller paid all commission. The seller paid the listing agent, the seller paid the buyer. Now, NAR done kicked in. It was a big lawsuit. Now, everything is negotiable. So now, the buyer might want to negotiate who pays the buyer's agent. So now you have to build value, you have to build a relationship, and you have to brand yourself that I am the go-to person. I am an expert in my field. I am the real estate agent, and so I have given enough value and I can earn the fees that I charge. Back in the day, the fee was pretty straight. Now, we have to show value. We have to earn the reason. And we have to use social media. I'm talking about Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok. Indeed, we have to now use those platforms to help us build our brand. And as we build our brand, we also build value. And we build a relationship with our buyers. We are building relationship with the listing agents. And this is very, very important and what we need to do to be successful. Branding is very important. Listen, I have a free masterclass coming up. Real estate agents, join me for a free webinar. Masterclass.lutherragsdale.com. Go there, register right now. Masterclass.lutherragsdale.com. Join me for my upcoming masterclass. Also, subscribe, like, and share this YouTube channel. Subscribe and come back and get quality tips and information every single week. At the bottom of this video, you will see a subscribe button. Click and subscribe. Hey, look forward to seeing you next week. Talk to you then. See ya.